Oh my God, I'm going to the Bible. I need to go and work.
She has to play
I just have to go now.
Every morning. Doesn't even have time for herself.
Why are they always thinking of me? Or
Spiritual
what?
sister.
It's really irritating. Please let me relax.
Anger never
It's
leaves her.
really irritating.
Every time she just gets annoyed at everybody.
I should talk to them.
And she's a Christian, no?
No, I should, but according to the Bible, just
and she doesn't
lose
even
my
know how to
patience,
fight
really.
it. Anger all the time.
I just really had enough. But I'm a Christian, but I don't know. Lord, I don't know what to do. I'm just really mad now. I don't know. I think I cannot forgive them. I guess. Maybe.
This actually happened to some of us.
Really? Well, we will.
Oh boy. All the ladies in the house, they like him so much. He's a prayer warrior.
Syria.
All the sisters, they like him so much.
I love sister June.
Tomorrow is Syria. Today is Anna. Next tomorrow is Rebecca.
Let me call, is it Mary?
Spirit you, brother. He can even quote the book of Genesis up to Revelation. Without looking at the Bible.
Still have to enjoy ourselves.
But he has problem coping with the females. He's looking for how to just penetrate. He can why? Anything.
What should I do, God? Help me, God. With all of these sisters.
I club with you.
This is one part that I would like us to pay attention to.
Look at that woman. She's so happy there. Instead that I'm going to my friend's place, I will go to church.
Look at this woman. Everything is nice.
The one on your
Look at the way she
left-hand
even
side.
dressed. Oh God.
He's a devoted Christian.
Life.
And the one on
She
the
has all
right-hand
this
side.
money. She can buy everything.
He's an unbeliever.
I don't have any money because I put it in
And
the
the two of
church.
them, they envy each other day by
This
day.
woman, everything in life, she's enjoying
The
life.
Christian is not
She
satisfied with
eats
the life
good
she's
food.
living.
Everything
And
is
the
nice with
unbeliever
her. And
is
look at
envying the
me.
Christian.
She has a lot of money. And then I
But
don't
Lord,
have
the
any.
Christian is about to backslide.
Because I help
With all
a
our
lot of
thoughts.
people.
What can I do now? In fact,
Maybe I will change like
Finally,
her. I'll make a lot of money.
I would like to change and join this hair God. God,
they took their
please help
decision.
me.
The Christian went to the other side. And the unbeliever came to a Christian.